Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday, April 29th, about 5:52 a.m. It's the first day of third season in Wisconsin. Got a tag. Got some toms roosting not too far away in the woods here. Been seeing them out here a couple mornings down in this freshly plowed bottom. So hopefully they do what they've been doing, come out, come right in, and hopefully we can put one down. Stay tuned.
Wow.
Jesus
wow.
fucking shit. I didn't even see it. I was trying to.
Wow.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Lay that out so you can see the beard. Well, it's Wednesday, April 29th. First day of third season here in southwest Wisconsin. Kind of been seeing some toms out here Saturday and Sunday morning out in this freshly plowed bottom here, and figured to come in, set up a blind yesterday, and this morning had some toms gobbling up in the woods to our left, and about 5:55 we had a head and fly down right in front of us, and moments later, 5:58, I saw this guy come. He came right out of the corner of the woods here, and he came running right into the old avian X's and got the job done. Big old mature long beard down here, third season, southwest Wisconsin.